Well, our newest toy is here.
Newest tool, not toy.
Oh, tool. Yeah, that's what Dad would say. Our newest tool is here. Since it came with a full tank of fuel, does that mean you're trying to run it out now?
Well, I'm gonna at least get some work done.
In the rain?
Not in the lightning.
Not in the lightning.
I don't like lightning.
Me either. Daddy teaching you how to use it already?
What?
Daddy teaching you how to use it already?
They have spent their entire lives there, hearing the same sounds, seeing the same sights. One morning, a beach ball rolled right up to them.
Alright guys, we're doing another one of the KiwiCo crates. We are not sponsored by them, but on rainy days, this is a fun thing to do with the kids. They are learning about the map, and this is the Atlas crate. So they got to learn about all of the different countries and continents of the world. And they also learned how to read latitude and longitude, which was really neat. If you'd like to check it out, we're going to put a link in the description below. Now that we have a tractor, we're able to level out the land along the road front where it has just been kind of pushed over the years and hilled up. And all of that dirt will be able to be used to help level up other areas of our property, since that's the highest point. And there was a good 3 feet worth of dirt, if not maybe a little more than that in some sections. So right now Jay has been working really hard and having a lot of fun doing it by leveling that out. And over by our mailbox, we're about 3 feet shy of actual grass along our roadside, and the people that come and scrape this dirt road to fill in the potholes and stuff always seem to cut into our yard. So our yard has been slowly but surely just been pushed and receded back towards our house. So now that we have this tractor, we're able to level that area and actually put a fence in. We were originally going to put in trees, but those trees died. And so we're going to put a fence up along the roadside so that, you know, our yard can stop being taken away from us. And then eventually we're going to be getting our fruit trees. I think it's already too late in the season for us this year for our fruit trees, but next year, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have some fruit trees on our property. I'm bringing dirt in and leveling up along our roadside right here. This is how far it was, and our driveway was about 3-4 feet out from it. These chickens are just going in and out freely, huh? Maybe they'll pick all the ticks and stuff out of there for y'all.
I'm actually.
We'll just put them in there and stick them on their backs and let them ride pigs. That'll make a good show, huh? Okay, I totally got the look from Jalen that I'm a psycho mom. So she's been living with me for like 10.5 years now. She should know that. They're eating her hair. So this is the only one that's stuck with me. This one chicken right here. But every time I come anywhere near the chickens, they follow me around. They're my new entourage. I've decided they call themselves the Cluckers. Sorry guys, I'm a little weird, so that's okay. Right? Just tell me it's okay. And we can be friends. Oh my gosh, see? See what I mean? They just follow me around. This is my entourage right here. Girls, thank you for your contribution to my belly. Let's see if I can catch them. You turn. These chickens. They're just always up my butt. Hey Velma. How you liking the tractor? Huh? Everybody likes to hear from you. Are you not the star of the show anymore? Them babies are, huh? Yeah. Okay, I'm too old now. There they are. Pebbles is sleeping and Bam Bam's just chilling. Huh. All right, the babies are 2 weeks old today, so we will be making a window or door, just a temporary one that can be removed and put back on whenever we're ready to have it on there, over this area right here, so that way we can put the babies in there at night and milk mama out in the morning, and then let the babies out to play with mom all day. The babies are keeping up with her pretty well, so it's time for us to get started on that. She's pretty well trained to the stand now. She still kicks quite a bit, so we're gonna have to hobble her legs for a little while longer, but she is getting a lot better, and we're getting ready for some milk. We actually have a neighbor who gave us a goat milk cheese recipe, and I'm pretty excited about it because we all really love cheese, so it'll be fun to make our own. and I think the kids will have fun trying to. So every day we bring Velma to the outside on a leash so that she can eat some of this fresh grass while we're feeding Sally grain on the milking stand. Eventually this fence is going to be moved all the way to the road, but we knew that we were going to be leveling this area out, and we want to make sure that there's some grass growing before we move them so it's not just mud, because having them in a really muddy area can really mess with their hooves. And we've been working so hard with Sally's hooves that we really just don't want to mess them up any more than they already are. So for now, they get to come out here randomly and eat the grass while they're chained up, or walk them around on a leash like the dogs. They enjoy it, and we get our yard mowed.